Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile, but you can't seem to find it on your ZTE Blade A70. And to do this, first we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Inside, try to find the Call of Duty. But as you can see, there's no real game that we're looking for. So go back, click on your profile picture, navigate to the settings and family. Here enter parental controls and either disable them or go for apps and games. Enter the PIN code. Increase PG to at least 16. Make sure to save the settings afterwards and go back. Now locate the game. You can search for it, I have it right here already. And now we can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.